AA 24 pack. This has a 10-year shelf life, everybody. Mercury and cadmium free, long-lasting power, lithium batteries. You know what? With the lithium batteries, I might not have to get anything to the year 3000 at this point. Look at these batteries. I like how they contained them in here. So if you like me and you got a wide variety of items that use it, I've got this Sony remote right here. This thing always goes through the batteries pretty quick. You can see how this works right here. Yeah, there we go. We've got that all set up. I don't see any issues with that. What is so these are supposed to have 1.5 volts of power on it. We are at 1.9. 1.9 volts, they give you more power. 1.89, they give you more power than it's actually advertised. Now lithium batteries are definitely the way to go. They seem to hold their power longer. They give you a better power delivery, and this company's been really good. I've got them in several other things. I got their 9-volt and AAA versions of this battery, and I have been very impressed with this. This is something I recommend for anyone that just has a wide variety of items that takes, AA batteries. Change over to lithium right now because the old alkalines are out and the lithiums are in. And this is a very affordable cost for what this pack is. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Voniko lithium battery, AA. See you on the next video.